Which safety issues should you consider if you integrate a welding cobot in your manufacturing surrounding? Cobot is a short word for collaborative robot. So this means that human beings and robots are working together. That's in contrast to industrial robots, where we have to completely separate programming outside of the robotic welding cell from the robot. So that's one aspect that's quite nice using cobots, but you never have to forget that we talk about a welding cobot. That means we have welding, and in especially gas metal arc welding, of course we have an arc, and you have to protect the welder, or let's say the user of this cobot cell, from the arc. So you have to protect the eyes, so it means it has to be in a housing. And the second thing is, of course, during welding, the welding torch gets hot and you have a very hot wire. So you also have to prevent that the welder is touching these hot parts. So it means cobot cells should be in a housing, and this will help that there is no injuries either by the arc or by the hot parts. It's also very important that you, as a company or as a responsible person in the company, know that it's in your responsibility that your cobot cell is safe. Of course, you can work together with companies that offer robotic cells that are completely covered in a housing and that have also a CE mark, so that will help you with that responsibility. But of course, you can also use it without it, but then you have to protect your workers maybe by welding curtains, or you build your own cabinet around it. But the responsibility in any case is with you. But nevertheless, if you obey all these rules during the welding process, you have a very good possibility to increase productivity in your company by using these cobots.